first person I saw when I woke up was Dr. Wiser, which was a shock. Hi, my name is Mercedes Villalobos. The reason why I wanted to get this surgery is because I had a child. She's 14, and I always had that little pouch. And when I ended up losing the weight, I went down to 134, and I started noticing that baby pouch just lingering there. I chose Dr. Wiser because I started reading the reviews, and from the beginning, when I actually met him during the consultation, his bedside manner was amazing. He's so thorough with step by step, gave me options for surgery. You know, he gave me that confident boost for me to say, yes, I want to get it done with Dr. Wiser. And Dr. Wiser, as well as the team here, they are amazing, everybody. The first person I saw when I woke up was Dr. Wiser, which is a shock because not every doctor is right there the moment that you're waking up from surgery. But during my recovery, everybody was very responsive to any questions that I had. Very easy. If you have any questions, you definitely could call, text, or email, which I did all of them because every little thing I felt like, I don't know the question to this. Should I do it? Should I not? So everybody was very responsive, made me feel like, you know what, recovery, yes, it's hard, but we all gonna get through it together, which I loved. I loved every minute of it because they were all there to help me out and help me through as well. I feel amazing. I love my body, and I definitely don't regret doing it with Dr. Wiser. And even I have had people that done surgery before, and they tell me, oh my God, your incisions look so amazing. So that gives me the more of that confidence as well that I chose the right doctor.